Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be kicking off a new series in which I'll be deep diving into the top 50 quantum masters programs around the world. To keep things objective, I've decided to rank these universities based on their overall QS World ranking. So whether you're looking to advance your career in quantum tech, research or academia, this video series is going to be your go-to guide. At number 50, we have University of Gdansk in Poland. Their QS World ranking is ranged from 851 to 900. Their MSc in Quantum Information Technology is a 2-year program. The program covers sections like quantum information processing, computation and communication, quantum systems, their manipulation, and non-classical properties. At number 49, we have Technical University of Braunschweig, located in Germany. Their QS World ranking is a range of 751 to 760. The duration of their MSc in Quantum Technology program is 2 years. The modules of the master's program are primarily electrical engineering, physics, as well as computer science or mathematics. At number 48, we have Stephens Institute of Technology in USA. The QS World ranking is a range of 701 to 710. The duration of the degree is not mentioned. Their Masters in Quantum Engineering program prepares students with a background in physics and applied physics or related fields to launch a career in the industries utilizing quantum information science and quantum technology. The curriculum design is flexible and satisfies the need of both full-time and part-time students. At number 47, we have University of Basque Country, Spain. Their QS World ranking is a range of 641 to 650. The duration of their MSc in Quantum Science and Technology degree is 1 year. This is the only master's program in Spain that focuses on quantum science and technology. At number 46, we have Ulm University in Germany. Their QS World ranking is 554. The duration of their MSc in Quantum Engineering degree is 2 years. The program focuses on quantum physics, electrical engineering, and the interdisciplinary aspects of quantum technologies. At number 45, we have University of Jena, located in Germany. Their QS World ranking is 526. The duration of their MSc in Quantum Science and Technology program is 2 years. It is a multidisciplinary program covering quantum mechanics, information, communication, computing, imaging, sensing, and further rising fields of quantum technology. At number 44, we have University of Buffalo in USA. Their QS World ranking is 466. The duration of their MS Engineering Science and Quantum Science and Nanotechnology program is 2 years. It is an interdisciplinary program designed to provide students with cutting-edge training in the emerging fields of quantum technologies. At number 43, we have Stony Brook University, located in USA. Their QS World ranking is 460. Their MSc in Quantum Information Science and Technology program prepares students to work in the rapidly growing area of quantum information science and technology. At number 42, we have Julius Maximilian University Würzburg, located in Germany. Their QS World ranking is 428, and the duration of their MSc in Quantum Engineering program is 2 years. At number 41, we have Leibniz University Hanover, located in Germany. Their QS World ranking is 426. The duration of their MSc in Quantum Engineering program is 2 years. The course focuses on physics, in particular quantum mechanics, electrical engineering, quantum technology, quantum communication, quantum simulation, and quantum computing. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for part 2.